How to track your net worth and why it matters. Today I'm going to show you how to stop feeling like you're just spinning your wheels, working hard but never really getting ahead. You're making money, sure, but where is it all going? And are you truly building something that will last? Tracking your net worth might sound like a boring financial thing to do, but trust me, it's the most important thing you can do to understand your financial health. It's the roadmap to your future, and it'll help you see if you're actually moving toward the life you want, or if you're stuck in place. So let's break this down step by step and get you on the path to financial clarity. Trust me, the journey is worth it, as you're about to discover. Step 1. Understand what net worth actually is. Your net worth isn't just a number. It's a snapshot of your entire financial life. It's the difference between what you own and what you owe. Think of it like your financial scorecard. Here's how it works. Assets. These are things that have value. Homes, savings, investments, even that old car that's in decent shape. These are all things you own that could be turned into money. Liabilities. These are the debts you owe. Mortgages, credit cards, student loans, car loans, anything that subtracts from your financial picture. To calculate your net worth, simply subtract your total liabilities from your total assets. The result will show you where you stand. But here's the thing, don't just look at it as a number. Look at it as a reflection of where you are right now and where you could be in the future. Step 2. List your assets, everything you own. Okay, now it's time to get real. You need to list all your assets, every single thing you own that has value. This isn't just your bank account balance. Think beyond that. Include your home if you own one, your car, your retirement accounts, your investments, and even jewelry or other collectibles. Include any other property or valuable possessions. Don't leave anything out, no matter how small you think it might be. But here's a powerful exercise. Don't just add up the numbers. Take a moment to reflect. What are these things helping me build? Is your home an investment in your future? Are your retirement accounts growing into something that'll give you peace of mind? These are not just things. They represent your hard work, your choices, and your future. Step 3. List your liabilities, what you owe. Next, let's dive into your debts. Now, I know this can be a tough pill to swallow, but remember, knowledge is power. You need to get real with yourself about what you owe. This includes things like credit card balances, loans, your mortgage, student debt, personal loans, anything that's holding you back. Add it all up, every little thing, even if you have to face some tough truths. But as you list these liabilities, don't fall into the trap of feeling defeated. Remember, this is just information. It's not a reflection of who you are as a person. This is just a snapshot of where you are right now, and it can and will change. Step 4. Subtract liabilities from assets. This is your net worth. Now comes the moment of truth. Subtract your liabilities from your assets. The result is your net worth. Is the number higher than you thought? Or is it lower? Either way, it's okay. This is just data. And the best part? You have control over it. If your liabilities are higher than your assets, don't panic. This is just a starting point. You can improve your net worth. But first, you need to track it regularly. Every few months, check in and see how you're progressing. Even small improvements are signs that you're on the right track. Step 5. Make a plan to improve it. Now that you have a clear picture of your financial health, it's time to set goals and take action. What can you do to increase your net worth? Pay down high-interest debt. Paying off credit card debt or loans can quickly increase your net worth by reducing liabilities. Increase your assets. Start investing in your future, whether that's putting more money into retirement accounts, saving, or even buying assets that will appreciate over time. Boost your income. Look for ways to earn more, whether through a side hustle, a promotion, or smarter financial decisions. Remember, improving your net worth isn't about quick fixes. It's about consistency, planning, and making smarter decisions over time. Each time you pay off a debt or add an asset, you're making your future self proud. Step 6. Track and celebrate your progress. Tracking your net worth isn't a one-time thing. It's a journey. And while the numbers matter, don't forget to celebrate each small win along the way. Every time your net worth increases, whether that's through paying off a loan, growing your savings, or hitting a milestone, take a moment to acknowledge your hard work. Because in this journey, it's not just about the numbers. It's about your peace of mind, your freedom, and your future. The more you track your net worth, the more you'll realize how much control you actually have over it. And with that, you can finally say goodbye to financial stress and hello to the life you've always dreamed of. And by the way, I have a net worth calculator spreadsheet I created to make figuring this all out very easy. And you can have this for free, just for being a subscriber here. If you want it, simply comment, send me the spreadsheet, and I will send you the link. Tracking your net worth regularly is your next game changer, if you're not doing it already. And if you need help, then we are always here to help. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe for more money smart tips. And we'll see you on the next one.